What do you think? What makes you that popular among the Igbo people and Igbo nation?
One thing that I think makes me exceptional is kindness. You know, when you see me support people, some people categorize me as one of the richest young men in Enugu. But in actual sense, I'm somebody who struggles. But whatever little I have, I share. And that is the Okwuluora that you know. And that is why most times you see people want to identify with me. Kindness, nothing more.
During the 2023 general election, at first, you weren't that supportive of Governor Mbah. As we got close to the election proper, you changed and you came out fully in support of Governor Mbah and started sensitizing the people self why they should vote for Mbah. What did you see different?
I met all the Guba candidates. They visited me. I don't do politics. I told God, any day I do politics, take my life. And Governor Mbah was the last person I met. After speaking with him, I think myself, this man shouldn't even be contesting for governorship.
Yeah.
This man should be maybe VP or president, all things being equal. A polished man, a principled man. He said, what do you need to run around? He said, what I want you to be governor of Enugu State because Enugu deserves better.